After losing Rox and Clea within a year, I was devastated. I didn't think I had it in me to open my heart again. Then I got a call about a 6-year-old Dolby Mix, found roaming the streets with his brother. He'd been at the shelter for almost 3 months, and he was shutting down. When I met him, he was terrified, but he walked up to me, put his head in my hand, and looked at me with the saddest eyes I've ever seen. I knew I couldn't leave him there, so I brought him home. First thing, a bath. He hated it, but he was covered in feces and smelled awful. Afterward, we brushed him out, and for the first time, he relaxed. He was skin and bones, so I made him a big warm dinner. He ate like he hadn't eaten in days. I tried feeding him in the crate to start crate training, but his fear was intense. So after a couple of days, I stopped. He wasn't ready. He wasn't potty trained, so I took him out every few hours, but outside, he was terrified. I had to lure him out with hot dogs. He'd hide in the bushes. Sometimes I had to carry him back inside. But he was so smart, really smart. Within a couple of days, potty trained. He didn't understand toys, didn't know how to play, so I started with healthy treats, bully sticks, and slowly he began to explore. He'd wait until it was dark, then sneak off to enjoy his bully stick in peace. For the first week, all he did was sleep, eat, and potty. Still terrified of everything, but he was safe, he was loved, and he was trying. This is just the beginning of his story. If you've ever worked with a terrified dog, I would love your advice on helping him learn to trust. Keep watching and drop your tips in the comments.